Today's a great day to solve problems. Before we start, I want to just remind you of the strategy we've been doing to unpack our problems. So, right now, I need you to go get a paper and a pencil. You cannot use the drawing board today because I want to see you use my strategy to help you unpack the problem so you understand it and you know what the question is asking. So go get a paper and pencil, pause me, and I'll be here when you get back. Okay, are you ready? Great. So you have your paper and your pencil. I have my paper, it's right here, and I have my pencil. So here's what I'm going to do, friends. We're going to start at the top. Oops. That's Miss Witten calling me. We're going to start at the top where we're going to draw a line down here and a line down here and a line right across, okay? So, and then I know Kayla's already ready to do this, and so is Aliana and Raquel. We're going to put start, then end. Those are the three parts of our story problem. So as I'm telling you today's story problem, I want you to fill these out. Okay? So, just some reminders. In the beginning, if there's a number, we're going to put it under start. Then something always happens in our story problems. Either you get something, or you give something, or you leave, or you take, or you go, or you get, right? So there's things that are constantly happening. That is going to go under then. And end. End is also really total in all. And I know you already know that. So if you don't have to write that down, that's okay. If you need a reminder, it's a good time to write that down. All right. So today's story star is Jackson. Jackson is the star of our story. And in this story, we all know Jackson loves crayons, right, Jackson? You love crayons. So this story is about Jackson and his crayons. Will you listen to help me solve this problem? And as I'm telling you the story, I want you to use the organizer over here to unpack the problem. Okay, so let's begin. Jackson had some crayons. How many did he have? That's right, we don't know. He had some. So Amy already knows what we're going to do next. We are going to put a question mark. Jackson had some crayons. Then, do your ears perk up? They should, because we're looking for what's going to go next. Then he got a new pack of 12 crayons. So he got something new. So am I going to put a plus or a minus? Show me on your hand. Plus or minus? Minus. All right, so I'm going to put a minus. Minus. No, minus is wrong. You're right. Minus is wrong. It's going to be a plus. Jackson got new crayons. They are his now. He gets them. They are his. So I got to put a plus there, not a minus. Thanks for catching me. All right, so Jackson had some crayons. Then he got some more. He got a new pack of 12 crayons. How many crayons? That's right, 12. Now, at the end, he has 24 crayons. How many crayons? Did you say 24? That's a lot of crayons. You are right. At the end, he has 24 crayons, total in all. Now, you might think 24 is the answer, but if you've been working hard over the last few days, you know that 24 is not the answer we're looking for today because our question mark is over here. So, how many crayons did Jackson have to start? How many did Jackson have to start? That's what we need to solve today. Can you help me solve this problem? Don't forget, at the bottom, you are going to have an answer, not a total. You are going to have an answer. And when you tell me how you solve this problem, you should be able to answer the question, this sentence. You should be able to say this whole sentence. Jackson had blank crayons to start. I'm looking for both of these things and your unpacking strategy all to be on your paper when you send me a picture of it. So right now, write down this answer box and this sentence. Pause me so you have time to do it. And then get solving the problem right here, right in the middle of your paper. And I will give you a clue. Today's problem is going to be less than 24. Good luck solving this problem. I can't wait to see what you do. Please make sure that you did our unpacking and that you have this sentence frame and an answer box here. I can't wait to see what you do here in the center. Good luck.